Kia ora whanau. Today we are launching from Waikawa to stay the night out in the Marlborough Sounds. We've got the boat packed nice and full and we've got the swags on top. It's a beautiful day and the weather is forecasted to be primo for the whole weekend. So let's get out there and catch some fish. We only just got to a random little spot. It turns out to be a good one. Nice. Oh, I just got off.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
It was right there.
Oh, no.
Snapped the line.
Oh, it snapped. It must have been a biggie.
It felt heavy.
Oh, bugger.
Oh, the snapper catch you.
This is where it snapped the line. Mum's caught the lucky first fish.
It'll be tasty too.
Set up the electric rods.
Daiwa Tanacon versus Shimano, please.
Nice. Ready for a puka?
Yeah, ready.
I just had some really big bites, and so I was up 22 metres, and then I got snagged on something and everything snapped off. So now I'm winding up nothing. Gonna have to reset up. Oh, is there a fish on it?
Yeah, grab me on. You got a fish on.
What am I doing?
Woo! Well on!
I think we got a puka on.
Yeah, we're on. She's on the way up.
We got snagged twice and now we got one on.
Smart spot.
I was starting to doubt grouper fishing. Starting to pull now.
I'll do boy. I'll do boy.
144. Oh shit!
Oh, you hooked up here.
Side.
Well, that's the fish that Dad thought he had on.
That's a bit of a new type of hookup. Well, I think we got a puka. $18 meters. Marty.
Ashley's little perch. Okay. Might be a big shark.
How many meters you at? 30. Okay.
Shark.
Jesus. that just a massive grey boy?
Yeah. Open the bin.
That's massive.
I think you got one on there.
There's a few goodies in there.
Nice.
We should have stayed a bit longer.
You would have been on.
Perfect. They didn't come off either after a couple of drops. Put one of those on each hook.
I'd love it.
Exactly 20 kilos.
What was it?
Kilo.
20 kilo.
Nothing good quite though.